Welcome back to Car Stuff P&W. This is Jesse, and we've got another video on the Civic. It's been a couple weeks, but I finally managed to get it all back together. Got the transmission in, got it all put back together. I had been waiting on getting more oil, and then it was finally ready to go. I took it for a drive on Sunday, and it seemed good for, like 20 minutes or so of my drive. Transmission's working good, shifting well and everything. And then I started getting the same bogging issue that I was having before I took it all apart to replace the clutch and rebuild the transmission, yada, yada, yada. And so because I had rebuilt the distributor, I knew that I needed to retime it, which I hadn't done. It's supposed to get up to temperature and all that stuff. And so I decided to check that. When I finally got it home, I was able to limp it home, letting it cool down, and then driving it would work. And so I was checking the timing on it, and the signal from the spark plugs was not consistent. It was, normally it should be, but it was like, it was just super inconsistent. So that made me realize that, okay, something's going on with the distributor. So I got a new distributor for this thing. And then I was also getting a code for the engine coolant temperature sensor. So I replaced that just now, and then I've got a new distributor. I thought by ordering a 94 Acura Integra one that I would get the normal 2-pin or 2-plug connector, because that's what I've got in my wiring harness, my Civic wiring harness. But I got one with the big fat plug, and luckily I have an adapter. I think I need like a 92 Integra, maybe 90 to 92 for that to just work. But I should be good to go for that. And so now I'm going to install the new distributor. This is a car done from Amazon. And yeah, I'm gonna install that, get it running, and then check the timing again, hook up the timing light, and see if we've still got some inconsistent signal from the distributor. So here we go. Oh man, oh crap! So I managed to get the new distributor on, and I got my my adapter plugged in. I was having a hard time getting this to plug in, and I think I'm good. I think I'm ready to go. I open up the garage and I start it up, and it seems to be working better. The light on the thing is flashing, and then I notice something on the ground, and I'm pretty sure it's my oil feed line for the turbo. It's like, that's because that's where it's coming from. I felt it do something weird the other day, and it just confirms that it's broken and I need a new one. Ah! Man, when it rains, it pours. So that's gonna do for this video. I'll get a new feed line and go from there. Woo! Give us a like and a subscribe. We'll see you later.